Hey guys, I just watched the new Netflix series How to Get Rich, which is a great show by the way, and option trading was discussed in episode 5. The main character of this show, his name is Ramit, he made a blanket statement saying so and so is option trading, which no individual investor should basically be doing. It's like walking into a casino. This tells me that Ramit knows very little about options. I disagree with that statement, and I think that Warren Buffett and other value investors would too. Ramit hasn't seen how options can be used as a tool as opposed to a gambling technique. For example, if we want to buy a stock for $1 but it's currently selling for $2, our choices are to wait for the price to drop to $1 or use options to get paid to wait for the price to go drop to $1. There's no speculation there. We're not guessing if the stock is going to go up or down. We're just waiting to see if we're going to be able to buy the stock at a lower price. With choice number 2 using options, if the price does not go down to $1, then we still made money waiting and we can keep getting paid to wait for as long as we like. If it does go down to $1, then we still got paid to wait, plus we get to buy the stock at the price that we want. So how is that a gamble? I will link to the end of this video the difference between gambling and investing in case you haven't seen it. Anyway, options is dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, but it's lucrative if you learn how to use it properly, and it's least risky when you know how to use it with value investing strategies. Ramit, if there is ever a chance that you come across this video, I know that I can make you revise your blanket statement about options. And just like you've stated in your show, not everybody needs to be a homeowner, but if done correctly or properly, then it could be a great thing. It's the same with options. If done properly, it's a great investing tool worth learning. And it's applicable whether you're investing in individual stocks or index funds.